Hello audiophile! Today an impressive sound and bass test. Two aces, French vocal versus German Magnat speakers. Both 3-way floor standing systems. The test will use vocal chorus 726S, which on average costs up to $1,500, and Magnat Quantum 907, which costs up to $3,000 on average. Can you hear the advantages of a system 2 times more expensive, if any? The amp is a Yamaha AX-550 natural sound stereo amplifier made in Japan. For the sound source, I use a Topping DX3 Pro DAC music file FLAC. The full specifications of both loudspeaker and amplifier are in the video description. But for now, put on your headphones, get comfortable, let's start with the blind listening test.
Let it stand now, the friends are all departed. The kind hearts, the true hearts that loved the place of old. Spring shall come again, calling up the moorfowl. Spring shall bring the sun